I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun new unboxing for you guys featuring the brand new Jujubee Sanrio Hello Kitty Hello Rainbow, and it is super cute and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. This is going to be hopefully a quick video because I have my husband coming home soon, and for those of you who don't know, I am a military wife, so it's very exciting whenever he comes home. And so I have a lot of cleaning to do today that I have been putting off for the last couple days. So basically when I'm done with this video, I have got to get to work cleaning this house. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you guys haven't already seen pictures or maybe even videos of these super cute new bags, Hello Rainbow is just, it's super bright and fun and of course filled with rainbows. So here we go. I didn't order too many pieces in this print because I really just wanted one bag and like accessories. So I cannot even 100% remember what I ordered, but I know it was just like one bag and some accessories. This print is so cute. Let me double check what I got here because I cannot remember. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. I totally forgot I picked those, but I'm super excited now. Oh my gosh. I like this a lot more in person than I thought I was going to. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, here we go. Okay, so the very first bag on top here is the mini bee. And I had to get it because I know a lot of you guys have little girls that may want to wear this for kindergarten or something like that. And so I wanted to make sure that you guys could see just how cute this bag is. I'll show you guys the rest of what I got in just a little bit. But oh my gosh, it is so cute. I just love all the colors. Like, it's vibrant, but it's a super cheerful print. Okay, here we go. So there is Hello Rainbow, you guys. Look at Hello Kitty sitting on top of the rainbows. It is so pretty. And then you have like little trees. And I just love the colors that they use. It's so cheerful and bright and happy. And the lining is even more bright and cheerful. So here we go. There you guys go. Oh, it's so cute. The lining on this one's a little bit different than the past prints that they've done. It has like a printed look to it where it has little Hello Kitty all over the place. I hope I'll be able to show you guys this pretty well, but that's what it looks like. It's a yellow background, but then you have orange Hello Kitty pattern all over the inside. That is so cute. And it's like a super pale orange, so it's like not super duper noticeable that she's there, but you can see it when you open it up, and you can definitely see it. But this is a super, super cute print. And now I'm very happy that I ordered what I did order. So I can't wait to show you guys what else I got. So there's the mini bee. Super cute, you guys. Should I do a packing video on this one with the things that I got? Because that's kind of what I bought it for, because I thought it would be fun to do a packing video with this. But I don't know. You guys might want me to pack up one of the other bags. So let me know down in the comments below. Out of all the bags that I got, most of them are really small. Which one you want to see packed up? I don't even think I've packed up any of the mini bags yet, have I? I can't remember. Oh, I have like the worst memory right now. So I also got a mini Be Right Back. I had to get the mini bags in this because I knew you guys are gonna want to see them because you want to buy them for your kids, right? Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Like, their mini Be Right Back and BFFs are so cute. I love them. So here it is, the mini Be Right Back in Hello Rainbow. Isn't that just adorable, you guys? And then you have the back straps here that match the blue. And this blue color is really pretty. It's like a sky blue, but it's really pretty. So there are the backpack straps, and they're adjustable. So even somebody my size can definitely wear this bag. So there is the mini Be Right Back. Absolutely adorable. Now let's see the mini BFF. That is a big sticker for a tiny bag. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love the print placement on this one. I've been getting lucky with the mini BFF print placement. So look at that. I got Hello Kitty dead center in between the rainbows there. This is so cute, you guys. Gotta open this one. No, they didn't use those annoying tabs this time. Oh, it's so cute. I don't know, maybe I should pack this one up. It's really cute. Look at how much space, you guys. So cute. Okay. And then you have your strap here for wearing it backpack style or over the shoulder. It's really, really cute. Oh, I love these little ones. Okay, and then I have a bee set here. You guys know I love bee sets. Like, I have quite a stash of bee sets because I love to use them in packing videos, whether I am doing a GGB packing video or doing like Lily Jade or some other brands. It's just fun to pack with them. So this print is just so pretty. So this is the bee set. For those that are new to GGB, the bee set has 3 pieces. It comes with a long strap too and the short strap. So I'm not gonna open it all up right now, but yeah, the bee set's really cute. So I got that. And I got 2 more things, you guys. And one extra thing down there that I may or may not do a giveaway with. It's a secret. Okay. So I got the Be Quick and I got a Be Dapper. I love the Be Dapper because of the way it fits in certain bags. So I was thinking if I did do a mini bee packing video, I definitely wanted to try and add this in there to show you guys how that fits. This is so cute though. I feel like this would be such a great pencil case, like especially for like kindergarten and stuff. So cute. It has the little grab handle. I tried to poof it up for you guys so you can see that there's the Be Dapper from the front, the side, and the back, and ignore how terrible my nails look. I have been cleaning like a mad woman trying to get this house ready, and my nails have, you know, taken a beating. So this looks really cute though. I can see this being great for like art supplies and stuff. Very, very cute. And the last thing I have to show you is the Be Quick. And if you guys weren't aware or you didn't purchase any of the latest collaboration for Harry Potter and the Flying Keys, the new Be Quicks come with a long adjustable strap. That is the best, and I'm super excited about it. So they did include that with this one as well. This is the long adjustable strap, so you guys can see the buckle there. So you can wear this crossbody and over the shoulder. You guys know I love wearing Be Quicks as purses. So this just made me super happy when I saw that they added this in. So that's just great. Here's the Be Quick. The other side and the inside. There you go, guys. I think I managed to do a pretty quick job of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you guys are looking to purchase the brand new Hello Kitty Hello Rainbow print that is releasing on September 17th, and I would love if you guys would shop GGB with me. I will leave my affiliate link down below in the description. You can shop through me and I would love that. Also, let me know, remember down in the comments below, which bag you'd like to see me pack up. I can always do a Be Quick packing video as a purse or something. I've got my Be Set here. Tags are sticking to tape. Be Set, Mini BFF, Mini Be Right Back. These are just so cute. I love them. And I have the Be Dapper here and a Mini Bee. So there you go, you guys. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.